Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are starting out the day in the Top Line Racer Junkyard. You don't see this too much on the channel, but it's important today because we are starting a new rebuild and we need some parts, okay? So I'm gonna take a whole little overview here and show you kind of what we're doing, and we're gonna get to the new car as well. First off, we got the plow truck, which is not really a scrap car, but it really sucks and it has a broken plow mount and some other things that we gotta fix. The other one is the Denali. That was supposed to be a rebuild project. It ended up just being a massive failure and we ended up parting it out. It was like a 2013 that was almost brand new and then rolled. Came from California. It's a whole mess. We just need to take that to the scrapyard. And then right behind me, we're going to skip that Traverse, is the Buick that we used to rebuild the other Buick, whatever these are, Regal, a while back. Now today, here is the Chevy Traverse. This one we used to rebuild the black Chevy Traverse that you've seen on the channel several times, and it's one that my brother and his wife use every day. That was one of our first rebuilds. I never did any videos on it or anything like that, but this was the parts car for it. And if you look on this side, you'll see that it has two very good doors and front fender and different things. So it has a lot of good parts with it, good engine. I don't know, did we ever pull the transmission out of this? No, I don't think we did. We did a transmission on another one. All right, so let's look at the new rebuild car for the channel. Here it is, a 2015 Chevy Traverse. Now, I really don't recommend the Chevy Traverse because ultimately they're really not that great of a car because they come with the dreaded, the terrible GM 3.6 liter engine, which is just atrocious, and you'll see these now, the older ones like 07, 08 and stuff, for like almost nothing on Facebook, and almost all of them have blown motors. On these specifically, they get rod knock more than anything. All the other 3.6s, the timing chains go bad, but on these it's actually generally rod knock. But this is what we got to replace, and we have pretty much all the parts from the other Traverse over there. So this was a perfect rebuild for us. We can just start to swap out the doors from this car. Obviously not the ones on this side because, well, they're destroyed. But we have all the parts. So this is going to be a slam dunk of a rebuild. Just going down through here, we got a little scuff on our front bumper cover here, but that's actually savable. It's not cracked or anything like that, so I think that's a pretty easy one just to get repainted. Fender we already have, so that one will just need swapped over from the other car and painted. Mirror, obviously same deal. Door, this one's destroyed. This door is destroyed. We're gonna have to do a little bit of touch up down here. It's not hit too hard. I can't open the door because there's no door handles. I think this wheel got hit just maybe a little bit, but actually I think that's just rubber down there. So I think that wheel is okay. Now the nice thing is we're going to step inside here and you'll see that this is actually a fairly loaded up car. So we might end up switching some stuff out because this driver's seat is bad, and we might be able to get the whole set from the other car over there for cheaper than what this driver's seat is. Battery is almost dead. Just a little bit of light inside, but it's got the, I think it's an LTZ or one of the higher end ones, because it's got the nicer dual climate control, power hatch, all that stuff. Let's see, I don't know if no, it's not enough power to see the odometer. I forget exactly how many miles are on it, but I think it's around 50,000. And you can see it's actually in really nice shape. Like, I don't think anyone ever really sat in the back. Even the driver's seat doesn't show a lot of wear or anything like that. So it is it seems like a really clean family car. We're gonna have to do the airbags as well up top. Driver's airbag, dash airbags, they're all good. But this might be one of our quicker rebuilds. Now, all of our rebuilds go pretty quick. We don't get any crazy frame damaged vehicles or anything like that, but this one especially, because we have all the parts right over there, and that will pretty much send this car to the scrap yard then, because it's pretty well stripped out. I mean, we got a little bit of interior left, but a lot of the things have been, this one was hitting the rear really hard. Really hard, actually. You can see like the center of the pan is in about 1.5 feet, but can strip out the interior still on it. It's got good wheels, at least I think 3 of them are good, but that door's shot, the hood's shot, and these are actually just ones that were off of the other Traverse when we did our first rebuild from the parts from this car. So this one's going to end up just being taken to the scrapyard along with the Denali before too long, and then not long after that, the Buick's going to go too, because we got too many just destroyed parts cars. And this isn't all of them. You guys know that we got the Chrysler 300 down there as well that we just finished up, and we got that whole parts car. So lots of parts cars around. So that's 2 videos in a row with brand new rebuild projects for the channel. Obviously, we are not as excited about the Traverse as we are about the motorcycle. The motorcycle's way cooler. This is just kind of a little side note. But still, I actually had a request just recently for us to do a Traverse rebuild. And we've done a couple of them, but they weren't on the channel. So it's going to be exciting to actually, you know, help the people out who have requested stuff and actually get one of the cars that they wanted to see. So I'm excited about that. And it's going to be a real easy rebuild. So if you like this video, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Love to hear from you in the comments. Have a great day.